New Startup Guide for Oil-Free Water-Lubricated Air Compressor. Place the water tank on the machine. Connect the external water supply hose to the tank inlet. Connect the hose to the water tank outlet. Connect the other end to the machine's water inlet. Connect the second hose to the machine's water outlet. Place the other end aside to discharge wastewater. Connect external water supply to the tank. The first hose connects tank outlet to machine inlet. The second hose connects to machine drain outlet. Connect the exhaust pipe here. Check water level. It should be between the two red lines. Connect power cables. If phase sequence error appears after startup, swap any two cables. After repowering, reset emergency stop, then press start.
Choose air horse, choose good quality. Welcome to contact us.